What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the serial filler random. We're just going to go live once. It's at 12:17. 12:17. Sorry about the delay, guys. So you can see I have everything lined up. We have the Atkinson Auto, the Sandine Shadowbox, Hyros, Jones, installed jerseys from Black. So 5 cards. We're going to random the list 3 times. And top 5 will win, and then I will just match you up to that, and that's the card you will win. So good luck, guys. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Grant, Marty, Kyle, Rick. So Grant, you got the Atkinson Auto and the Sandine Shadowbox. Marty, you got the High Rossi jersey. Kyle, the Jones jersey. And Rick, you got the Stahl jersey.